about the way you stare into my...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in my bedroom and we're gonna be doing a little bit of a refresh, okay? It's not necessarily a bedroom makeover, but I realized that I haven't even showed you all. I filmed a whole bunch of stuff that I've never released, so we're gonna finish it and get it together, okay? It's looking a little plain on the walls, so I did want to share with you guys. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is add some wallpaper. So that's kind of the task for today, and I want to show you guys the wallpaper that we're working with. So we love Peel Stick over here, okay? Peel Stick just makes it super easy to just get the look that you want for less. So I went on Amazon and purchased this wallpaper. I don't know if you can really see it. Oops. It's almost like a glossy kind of like concrete type of vibe. So I was a little nervous when I got this because I was like, ooh, like this, it says it was like milky was the texture, but I was like, this is like the same color as the walls, and y'all see how the walls look. Like it's given stale, it's given plain, it's given sterile, and at first I wanted to like paint the walls and add a little bit more color. Like I just wanted to bring more color, but I don't know, but this is what I have, so we're gonna try it and see. What I do like about it is there is a little hint of color. So like my bed is kind of like this taupe grayish color, and there is a little bit of like hints that it looks almost like paintbrush strokes. So we're gonna try it out. I've already opened it, so we might as well just try it, and if it doesn't work, the good thing is I could just unpeel it and we could go in a different direction. But let's just see. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the finished product, and I am actually obsessed with this. I love how it came out. I wanted my bedroom to be somewhat neutral but still bring a little bit of color, and I wanted the wallpaper to bring some warmth to the room, and I think it does that without overpowering or clashing with my bed color. And then also with some of the artwork that I have on the walls, you can see that there's a distinction. It's not the same exact color as the previous paint on the walls, but it adds a little bit of pizzazz and it still gives a luxury feel. All right, y'all, so I actually ended up upgrading my lamp. So this lamp I got from HomeSense. I love it. So it's 30 inches tall. It looks similar to the old lamp in terms of like the mosaic kind of alabaster base here, but the difference is the shape of the base is a little bit different, and the gold trimming on it matches with like the gold trims that I have in the room. So I love it. So it's a taller lamp, which is really nice, and it's also a night light. So if I turn it on, you see the bottom lights up, so it actually allows me to have more light in my room. If I flip it again, the light lights up without the bottom, and then if I flip it one more time, both lights up. So it's super cute, super cute. I really like the night light feature. It's just, again, it adds way more light, so that's like super cool. And then y'all, this is kind of like my pride and joy right here. So these are wall sconces, but they're rechargeable, so they're not battery operated. I didn't need to hire an electrician to help out with this. Like, This is literally, this was so easy to put up. These are pretty long, and it's just so easy. Like the hook, yeah, it's just so easy. So I absolutely love these. I got this from Amazon. Let me just make sure it's straight. Jeez. Okay, got these from Amazon. It looks so cute. It looks so cute. I did go ahead and re-merchandise my IKEA bookshelf. So I know you all have seen these. I forget the name of them, but I will also link these IKEA shelves down below. It's just so cute, y'all. So I did merchandise them with some of my small bags, which I really love, and then some heels at the bottom, but we'll go into the tour in the next video. But yeah, these are the lights. And then the other thing that I have here for the lights are my corner lights. You guys, if I have these corner lights all over my house, and these are the key. You see how skinny it is? Like, you can't really tell that they're barely there, but these are the key for like the ambient lighting, excuse me. Those are key. So these are such a game changer. So what I love about this layer lighting look here is that I can literally flip the switches. I can just have the wall sconces on. I could just have my lamps on. I could just have that corner lights on. I can have two of them on. I can have all of them on, and it just changes up the vibe in my room. So I highly recommend you all, if you're looking for a way to just make your bedroom look a little bit more expensive, definitely check out some of these different light fixtures. They're super cool. I also want to quickly talk about these paintings. I don't think I've talked about them before, but I actually made these. Unfortunately, I did not videotape the process of me making them. They were super easy. I think I had these two canvas paintings from something previously, and I just used my cabinet paint for my bathroom to paint the background because it matched the bedroom a little bit. And then I just took some white and I just freehanded it. That's all that is, y'all. Ain't no thing. It was just super quick, super easy. Did that myself. Didn't want to pay for it. So last thing I do want to show y'all is I actually ended up getting I wanted LED lights to go around my bed frame, and so I picked these up from Target, but you could likely get these from anywhere. They're saying these dance to music. I don't know, I haven't tried plugging them into any music, so I'm not sure how that really works. But yeah, y'all, I put these around my bedroom, so I'm gonna show you guys what this all looks like all together. So let's go and get into it.